Please pay amount shown. Card not valid.
She's too bad. She's 18.
She's lying in the street, right in front of the bus. Fortunately, there's a policeman here.
What the hell?
Yes. Yes.
You recording it?
Oh shit. She going ahead. She going ahead. That's the Facebook right there. Oh yeah, people coding.
Really?
So they got people going on, got people coding too.
She's still in the streets, and the police is talking to her now. Really?
I'm late for work. I have to show my boss this.
What the hell? What the Jesus?
It's over there. Over there, man.
Next stop, High State, State Capitol.
Sorry, baby.